the holidays so special.
Whether you're far apart
Or making new traditions.
or visiting with old friends, wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It's in the singing of a street corner choir.
It's going home and getting warm by the fire.
It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas.
A cup of kindness that we share with another.
A sweet reunion with a friend or a brother.
In all the places you find love, it feels like Christmas. It is the season of the heart, a special time of caring, the ways of love made real. It is the season of the spirit, the message, if we hear it, is make it last all year. How we will always remember,
It is the summer of the soul in December.
it's when you do your best for love, it feels like Christmas. It is the season of the heart, a special time of caring, the ways of love made great. It is the season of the spirit, the message if we hear it, let's make it last all year. It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas. It feels like
Woo!